today we are playing some more Build-A-Boat, and I am going to show you how to do a head glitch. It's not a glitch, it's a really cool mechanic. As you see, I'm going to give you a little preview. There's already pistons in the ground, so this will need the bind and screwdriver, but that's all you need. So that's just $5,000 in some blocks. So here's a little preview. So boom, and boom, and boom, and boom. Boop, 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 boop. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so first all you want to do is set your block setting anchor on, merging level red. So yeah, place a wooden rod. It could be any rod. Sorry guys, my sister's right next to me. She's clicking some stuff. She's right next to me. You can hear her. Anyway, all you want to do now is take some wood. Yes, I don't have a lot of wood.
Hey.
She's saying hi. Okay, so you want to go place one on the rod and place one here.
Hey.
And then now 1, 2, 3, 4. So now it's like 5 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so it's 5 blocks tall. Now you want to take some pistons. Turn it up like that. Place, place, click, place 3. Don't extend them yet. Just place another wood block.
Look.
My sister's trying to say wood. Anyway, place a piston. I forgot an important part. Sorry, guys. Hopefully you're not building this while watching. Hopefully you're not splitting screen, because I might make some mistakes, because yeah. And you want to place a block next to this block. And then 1, 2, take some more wood. And my sister's going away. Bye-bye. She doesn't care. Okay, anyway, place a piston like that, and then place another piston like that. And then select all, set piston length to 5. I did that after I placed all the pistons, because yeah. Anyway, after you do that, extend it and then place one block on top, and then place 2 blocks like that, so there's only a 1 block a gap. And then take a seat. It doesn't really matter, but this one works the best. And then now you want to get up. You need to get up. Now place some candy and get up. You want to take some more wood. 1, 2, 3. So you want to go 3. You could go 4 if you want, but it just needs to be above your head. So I'll go 4 because my antlers. So I'll go 4. It depends on what your body style is. And then now you want to place a switch. This is where we're gonna bind. 1 and then 2. So you want to take the bind tool and then take this switch and unbind it to that. Why is it not working? Wait. Click. Come on, work. Come on. Why won't it work? Okay, there. Okay, so this switch is binded to that, and this switch is binded to those. So now, all you want candy here. And then now you can save. I mean, head glitch, save. Okay, now you can save. Actually, no, you can't save yet. You have to delete the rod and then save. Okay. And then when you put it like that, you want to leave the game. And then you want to go to body, profile, you want to click on customize. And then for those laptop people, you need to go to for everyone you need to go to body. But for those laptop people, set everything to 100. So set every body thing to 100. But since mobile people can't see what number it is at, do this. So the body type, keep it at the bottom, and then the body size, keep it like somewhere here, like where my hand is. Keep it like somewhere there. And then head size, it doesn't really matter, but I recommend 0. So let's hop back on to Build a Boat. So we're back in Build a Boat. When you load it in, eat the candy, get up, take a cake, go in first person, place it on the seat. It's fine if you click the lever, you can just click it again. And then you want to do that, delete the chair, and then see, you want to click the turn, and then, wait, let me show you guys which one. Okay, so it's taking the screenshot. You want to click that one. You want to click that one. You want to click that button. You want to click that button once, and then you're going to click the up button. So now it should be like that. So turn up like this. Boom. And then boom. So until you're like inside the wood block and you can see the cake from under. And then place it on the cake. And then go back up. And then take some glue. And then this, you want to place it like where it is lined up with your head. If it touches your body's gonna go flying with your head, so yeah. Anyways, now it's time for the fun part. So unanchor, select all transparency, and then select those, the levers and the switches to make visible. And then collision off of everything except the glue. You want to click the glue and then turn on collision again. So I'm just normal now. There's like no difference. But when I walk, there's a difference in my head. So all you want to do now is flick one of the switches. Wait, what? Dang it! I forgot to unbind the switches with the glue. Okay, sorry guys. We're going back up. If you forgot, this is how to do it again. Take a cake. Put it in your body. Delete the chair. Take a rod. Click the turn, click the up. Click that, put it there. Put it on the cake, on the bottom. Not glue. Take some glue. Line it up with your head. And then unbind the... Okay. Sorry, I make a lot of mistakes. So I recommend watching my tutorials like like after so like after watch my tutorials before you do the builds because I make a lot of mistakes. Anyway, you want to do the glue, unbind the switch with the glue if it binds, probably will, and then unanchor, and then set transparency to 100 except for the switches, and turn off collision for everything. Collision off for everything. Turn on collision for the glue. And then flick the switch. Boom! You got your head like a robot. Who did you? Why? Come on. Okay, anchor. I can't jump. Collision on. Transparency 0. And then anchored. So I can place the glue again. Glue. Or can I? Dang it, I can't. Okay, now my body's gonna get flinged. Okay, I messed it up. Don't do that, guys. That was very, I guess, dumb of me. It was very... What the heck is happening? Bro, what? Collision on. What's that? Okay, I guess. Hands up. Hands up. Bye-bye. Yeah, you can play around with this. Play around with this. And tell me how it goes in comments. Woo! I'm out! Well, I'm out. Ah! What the? Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa. Yes, a lot of glitches happen with this. Yes. Yesy! No! Okay. Flick the switch. Flick the switch. Flick both switches. Okay. Jesus. Thank goodness. Anyway, I'm out. Bye-bye. Make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button. Smash that notification bell to never miss out on fun gaming sessions.